Yeah, welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video, we're going to be looking at xaarex. Now, xaarex is a project that I've been trading online. It actually got my attention just about 2 weeks ago when a friend of mine introduced this project to me, and they are into cryptocurrency and stock trading, right? Now, on this project, they promise to pay up to 2.5% of your total sum of investment, depending on the package you choose in this project. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you every details that you need about this project. Is the project right for you? Is this something you can put your money in and go to bed and sleep knowing fully well that you'll not be scammed? All these informations you're going to be finding in the course of this review. So if that sounds like something that is interesting to you, I will advise you to stick with me on this video from the beginning down to the end, so you're going to understand the details about xaarex and see if it is something that is worth you putting your funds into. Okay, now let's get to my system. Let me show you everything you need to know about xaarex. Okay, let's go. Here on the dashboard of xaarex, okay, this is actually their white paper, and let me quickly show you their dashboard. You can see their dashboard here. I actually signed up about 3 days ago, and since I signed up, I decided not to put in any funds into this project yet until I get my facts about the project. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to be funding the project, but let me quickly show you the things I found out that gave me the conviction that will make me to put in my funds into this project. Okay, so let's quickly go to this. Is actually their white paper, or you can call it their PDF walkthrough. Now you can see that the project says if you come in with from $50, you can actually earn from 0.9% every day. Okay, and one thing I discovered about the project is that you can actually take out your capital, as in your funds, your deposited funds. You can take it out at the expiration of the clawback. Now the clawback here means at the expiration of your locked in fund. Like your funds is locked in here for this particular one, your funds is locked in here for 20 days. Now after 20 days, you can take out your capital. Okay, and you'll be earning 0.9%. On this one, the minimum you can come into this project with is 500 USD, and after 35 days, like on the 36th day, you can actually take out your capital. Okay, the capital that you put in, you can take it out while you'll be earning your 1.1% every day. Now the 1.1 that you'll be earning every day, the reward you'll be getting every day, you can actually take that out anytime, right? You can take that out provided you have $5 in your wallet. You can take it out. Okay, then on this one, for 50 days, your fund is going to be locked in here for 50 days. And the minimum you can come into this with is $5,000, okay? And you'll be earning 1.3%. Now, after 50 days, you can decide to take out your capital, or you can decide to leave it in the project, and it keeps yielding more reward for you, okay? Now, this fourth one is 1.5% every day, and your fund will be locked in here for 70 days, right? Now, the minimum you can come into this one is $15,000. Okay, if you have $15,000, you are good to go. You start earning 1.5% on this. Now, my favorite, okay, this is the one I think I like most. This one, you're going to be earning 2.5% every day for 200 days. At the end of 200 days, you can decide to take out your capital. Okay, and the minimum entry is just 50 USD here. If you have $50, you can actually come into this one and you start earning 2.5%. I say my favorite because this is the very one I am going to be entering today. Okay, like I already told you, if you go to my dashboard there, you can see I actually signed up about 3 days ago. You can see 3 days ago, but you can see my dashboard there. I have not funded the account because I was busy doing my research about this project. Now don't worry, I'm going to be showing you my findings about this project, why I'm going to be putting money into this project, what actually gave me the conviction to put my money into this project. I'm going to be showing you all that in the course of this video. Okay, so let's quickly go back here, to the PDF. So here you can see, like I already told you, you can actually take back your capital on this. So let's assume you decide you want to do this one, or this minimum deposit of $50. Okay, let's assume you want to come in with $1,000. Okay, let's get to see exactly how much can you even earn from this project. Okay, now let me go to my calculator and let's do a quick calculation here. So let's assume you want to come in with $1,000 and you're coming in with this particular one. Now you can choose any other one, but I'm just using this particular one as a case study here. Okay, so let's assume you want to come in with $1,000. Okay, and you want to do this one of 2.5%. Okay, then you're going to say times 0.025, okay, you're going to say equals to $25. So if you come in with this with $1,000 every day, you're going to be earning $25, okay. I'm using $1,000 as a case study. You can come in with any amount you decide to come into the project with, okay. So here, let's assume we want to do it for, let's say 60 days, okay. But mind you, your fund will be locked in for 200 days. Yeah? After the 200 days, now you can take out your capital, okay. But let's assume you want to do it for just 60 days, which is 2 months, okay. We're going to come in like this. Let's say $25 times 60, okay. So you can see, even at 60 days, you must have made your capital and made profit of $500, okay, in 60 days, which is 2 months, okay. Assuming you don't even want to wait for these 200 days, okay. But let's assume you want to wait for the 200 days. Let's say $25 you'll be making every day times 200. Okay, let's see, that is $5,000. You're going to be making $5,000, okay, if you come in with $1,000. So you can see that the project is actually lucrative depending on which package you're going to be choosing. Whichever package you're going to be choosing, you can actually make money from this project. Now, this project got started and registered on the, I think 18th of January, yes, 18th of January 2023. Okay, so it's been running for over 4 months now, right? Now, there's something I saw on this project that made me go into findings about the project. Let me quickly show you that. They actually showed some certificates here. Okay, you can see this certificate here. Let me make it, let me bold this certificate so that you can see more, you can see it very well. So you can see, they said they are registered in the United States and in the United Kingdom. Now, this actually got me thinking, because I know I've seen projects in the past that came in with certificate like this, and at the end of the day, those certificates became, we got to find out that those certificates were actually fake certificates, okay? My friend that introduced this project to me gave me his words that he has made his own finding about this project, but I told him to hold on, let me make my own findings about the project, and I went into search, and so now I'm going to be showing you the findings I made about this project, okay? So let's quickly look at this one. They say Office of the Secretary of State of Colorado, certificate of fact of good standing, okay? So they say they have certificate from the state of Colorado that gives them good standing, that they are good to go to do business in the United States. So let's quickly go and check if this certificate is actually real, okay? So if you check here now, you're going to be seeing the certificate number. Let me quickly show you that. If you check here, this is the certificate number here. Okay, this is certificate number here. Okay, which is 2023. Okay, so let me quickly take you to the website that I checked the authenticity of that certificate. Okay, so you can see this is Colorado Secretary of State, General Chris Ward. So on this particular website, you're going to find out any business that has corporate standing in the United States, most especially in the state of Colorado. Okay, so that is what we're going to be finding about this particular business. Okay, so now let's go to search business database. Okay, so we're going to click on search business database here. So it's going to load, it's going to bring us here. So here we are expected to put in the certificate number that the claim was given to them. Okay, so let's look at the certificate number, which is 2023-106. Okay, I'm going to put it here, 2023-106. Okay, 2021-06, then 1646. 1646. Okay, then we're going to enter. So it's going to load. Okay, so you can see it just brought out the details of xaarex LCC. Okay, so you can see, you see good standing status. You can see the name xaarex LCC. You can see the status. It says good standing. So it gives us every information about this company, about the legitimacy of this company in Colorado, United States. Okay, so you can see that truly xaarex is actually registered in United States. Okay, now the next one we're going to be checking is this their second certificate, right? This second certificate, they told us that certificate of incorporation of a private limited company, right? So they are telling us that they are registered in United Kingdom. You can see it here. They say they are registered in United Kingdom. So also we're going to be checking this certificate number. You can see their company number here in the United Kingdom. So let's go ahead and find out if truly they are registered there. So the number, the certificate number here, let me quickly show you that here. Okay, this is a certificate number here. Okay, so let's find out if this one is actually true. You say it's 14563. Let's find out that's 14563. So we're going to go to this website. With this website, you can check out if a company is registered in the United Kingdom or not, which is UK, okay? It's called Open Corporate, right? This is Open Corporate. So we're going to put in the certificate number here. Let me quickly look at the certificate number again. 14563909. 14563909. So 14563909, okay? So we're going to click on search here. So now we're going to get the information details about this website here, okay? So you can see it brought out the name. You can see found one companies, okay? You see found one company. So you can see the name of the company, xaarex Limited, right? You can see the name of the company here, xaarex Limited. So let's click on it. So we're going to click on xaarex Limited, so we'll get more information about it. So you can see company number. This is the company number here. You can see this actually tallies with what we have here, right? You can see tallies here. Then we're going to scroll down. You can see status is active. Incorporation date 30 December 2022, 4 months ago, right? So you can see every information about the company here, truly registered in the United Kingdom. You can see all the information there. Now, the reason why I went into this research is to be sure that I know what exactly I'm putting my money into, because in the past, actually, I've been scammed with a whole lot of projects. So these days, before I put my money into any project, I make sure I do my own due diligence, okay? So we see that it is very, very necessary that we do things like this before we put our money into any company, okay? Now let's go back to the website. Let me show you more information about xaarex Limited, okay? So now that you have more information about xaarex Limited, let's go now to the website itself. So we'll be leaving the PDF, the walkthrough documents, and come here. Like I already told you, you can see I'm not putting money, but today I'm going to be putting money. Now, for you to get started, you need to fund in your account here, okay? You need to put in some money in here. Now, on this project, you can actually come in with different coins. I think they've made it just so possible so that there will be no excuse of you cannot make your deposit, okay? So you can deposit with Bitcoin, you can deposit with Zcash, Litecoin, Dash, USDT, TRC20, and Tron, okay? So all you just need to do here is that you're going to copy any of those. Let's assume you want to come in with USDT, you want to send in $1,000 or whichever amount you want to send in here. You're going to copy the wallet address here, okay? Then you will go to your exchange. It could be Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, whichever, okay? It could be MetaMask, it could be Trust Wallet. Then you're going to send the amount of money that you want to deposit in here to this wallet address that you just copied from here, okay? Now, when you do that, when you send that funds, the fund is going to appear on your dashboard here, okay? So you're going to see that funds on your dashboard here, right? So when you have that funds on your dashboard, then the next thing you need to do is that you're going to click on this open deposit, okay? So you're going to click on this open deposit, then you're going to come down here and you will look for the, you search for the particular package you want to do, okay? All these packages you saw here are what I actually showed you earlier, okay? So you can see this one. This is one for the 0.9% every day. The minimum is $50, okay? Likewise, every other one, you can see every other packages here, okay? Whichever one you choose, then you're going to click here. You're going to click invest now, okay? And whichever one you choose. Let's assume you do this. We choose this particular one that is my favorite. This one of 200 days, okay, that you can start with 50 USDT. You can just come down here and click on invest now, okay? Now you're going to put the amount you want to invest. Let's say you want to invest $1,000 here. So you're going to click on submit here. Now, when you click on submit here, automatically you have subscribed to this particular package, and every day you begin to earn, let's say $25 every day on this particular package, okay? You are going to be earning the equivalent of any of the packages you pick, okay, on your account every day, okay? And you can take out, like I already told you, provided you have $5 in your account, you can take out your profit, okay? You can take out your reward any day, okay? That is what I want to show you here. Now, I'm going to be dropping the link to xaarex in the description of this video, right? Just go to the description of the video. The first link there is going to be the link to xaarex Limited, okay? So just go ahead and click on that link, and you can come up here and you can make your own research also. You can get to see things for yourself. Even if you're not going to be investing with them, at least you can come up here and see how this website actually works. Okay. Now, if you go to SimilarWeb also, let's go to SimilarWeb. If you come to this website, SimilarWeb, and you put in xaarex, the website of this project, xaarex, right? You're going to see that the website is actually gaining momentum gradually. Okay, so you can see this is the website. You can see it's getting up to 5,000 visitors every day. So that goes to tell you that the website is growing. You can see, so you can get every information you need about the website here, okay? But listen, this kind of a project, I'm not going to be giving you 100% guarantee. There's nothing like 100% guarantee in the world, okay? So I'm just saying this to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just showing you projects that I find interesting, and I decide to share my opinion with my subscriber or with the public, okay? So whichever decision you're going to be taking about the project is just basically yours, okay? But for me today, I'm going to be putting in my own funds into the project, okay? So I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? I would appreciate if you like this video, and also if you've not subscribed to my channel before now, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, okay? I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.